Morning to all. I'm Ghameshwer. Today I'm here to present my model RSK, the rider safety kit. So here we have two problems, like if the person is over speeding, so how to counter that, and another thing is after the accident happens, how the emergency department will know that accident has happened. The emergency delay will be shortened through our model. So here to counter these problems, our model is in the role. So here we have a, receiver transmitter chipset in the car. A transmitter will be placed on the road starting to tell the limit of this road, specific road, and another time it will be reset. And to tell when the receiver is assigned with the limit, after that it will just monitor the speed of the car. If it cross the limit, it will just give alert, and if the person do not follow the alert at all, the that message will go to the police department of that area that this person is not following the alert at all. So matlab, if we say that they are not under the speed, so and after that we have auto SOS system. Like if the accident happened, the automatically SOS will be sent to the emergency department, and the further action can be taken. If what if the private car is having any emergency, so the button will be hard to press button will be placed on under the dashboard of the car. So if the person press that button, uh, the limiter will turned off, and the message will go to the police department that this person has turned that off. So afterwards he have to justify that why did you do that on that time. So that's all. My idea was it will actually help to reduce these accidents that are increasing day by day. Thank you.